Okay, hello Year 7, here's another Shapr3d tutorial, and this time we're going to make a Captain Marvel logo. So make a new design. Alright, we've got our view cube in the top left right hand corner. We've got our tools on the left hand side. On the view cube in the top right hand corner, click the top view. Create a sketch. Find our circle tool. Our circle tool, we're going to click in the very center. So the center is where the two lines meet, the red and yellow line meet. And we're going to drag and make a circle. We've got the option to enter the radius measurement, which is where it says R15. We're going to tap on that and we're going to enter a radius of 50. Click OK. Alright, then you might need to put your fingers on the screen and zoom out a little bit. Alright, now here's the thing about a Captain Marvel logo. It is like a Batman logo, except it's symmetrical in two different ways. And I'll explain that in just a little bit. Alrighty, now I've drawn, using my line tool, a line that goes up the center, in the very center, that goes upwards, a vertical line that goes upwards, and a line that goes horizontally from the center. Right, notice they don't fill up the entire square. That's on purpose. Alrighty, now, next part of our logo. We get our line tool, and in the very top corner of our circle, where the circle and the green line meet, rule a line. Alrighty, now on the right hand side, go to the very edge of the circle and rule a line. Alrighty, so we've got two lines there, and now we rule a line out from the center at a slight angle, and we're going to rule a line like this and a line like that. Alrighty, now, so we've got an angled line going upwards, an angled line going to the left, and we've got lots and lots and lots of things here. We want to trim right now. Find the trim tool. Trim, trim, trim. I'm not trimming the lines that go horizontally and in the center. Okay, I'm just trimming the edges. Alrighty, once we've got that rough design, we can click close. Close our sketch. Go to tools. Whoops, not tools. Go to transform, mirror. Select the first thing to mirror. Select the mirror line, and then select the other objects to mirror. Alright, so once you've mirrored the top of the logo, you'd click done. Then we do that again, transform, mirror. Click the thing to mirror. This time, instead of the vertical line, select the horizontal line, and then click everything on the other side. Alrighty, there we go, done. And we've made a star shape for Captain Marvel. We're going to add a few more details before we do anything else, before we start to extrude. Sketch, circle, select, whoops, let's try that again. Circle, drag outwards, circle, whoops, making tons of mistakes. Circle, and then drag outwards. Alright, so we've kind of got a ring around the outside of our star, and then I'm going to trim this. Okay, so hopefully that's cool. Now, the last little thing, it's kind of an odd design feature on the Captain Marvel logo, but there's kind of a weird angle that looks a bit like this. It's kind of like a V shape in the center of our logo. So rule from one side of the circle down and then up, and let's trim those bits. So once your logo looks like this, you're good, okay? We can close our sketch menu. Click on the view cube and spin around a little bit. Click the default view if you like. Select the star, select the circle, drag upwards. Let's go 12. Alrighty, select this part of our design, drag upwards, 8. Select this part of our design, drag upwards, and I'm actually going to enter, what will I enter? Let's leave it at that, 9. Alrighty, beautiful. Double tap our star, double tap our ring. Change the color to yellow. Done. Double tap the top, double tap, so the entire thing's colored. We're going to change the color of that part of the design, which I think is red. One of them's red either way. Oops, let's cancel. Try again. Double tap, color, red. Done. Double tap the bottom. What's going on here? Double. Okay. There we go. Color, and this is like a light blue. Alrighty, nice. We've got our Captain Marvel logo. We want to make it look a bit better. Tools, chamfer, tap the top. Chamfer type will be advanced, and we're going to enter 4. Alright, very good. Done. Tools, chamfer, click this, the ring, distance. Let's make the distance 3. Excellent. We want to chamfer now the little red edge there. Actually, no. Yes, we'll chamfer the little red edge. Actually, I'm going to do something else. We're going to move this body up a little bit because I don't like the way it's sitting there. So let's pull it up just a little bit. Alright, you notice to do that, let's try that again. To pull your object up and down, double tap it, click on the arrow to move it up and down. Alright, that's slightly cooler anyway, I think. Tools, chamfer, that little edge, type, and we're going to go 1. So we've got our chamfered edge on our design there. Alrighty, view cube, default view, done. You can have a look. So we've got our Captain Marvel logo. We want to export it as an image. Get a good angle. Get rid of our lines. Get rid of our grid. Actually, let's fix this. Let's tap this face. So there's not enough detail. So let's change the color of the face slightly. Okay, that looks slightly better, I think. That might give it a little more interest. Export, image, and take a screenshot. And there we go. You have made a Captain Marvel logo.